Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add text to speech in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Filmora application, and first of all I'm going to add text to this video. So I'm going to go to the titles and I'm just going to choose basic 1. Okay, and then I'm going to add text to my video. For example, I'm just going to type in hello guys like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add text to speech. We can go to the text to speech menu and then you can choose the language and you can choose voice for your text to speech, and I'm just going to choose narration and I'm just going to pick random voice from here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Okay, I'm going to click on try free. Alright. And now the text to speech has been added to this project. And I'm going
Hello
to
guys.
play it. Okay, this is the result.
Hello guys.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech in Filmora 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!